Hey, so I have created this programmatic SEO ideas, or you may call it programmatic SEO strategy for this tennis nest. And if you see, I have documented everything properly inside this Notion document. For example, there are 5,511 programmatic pages. Or in other words, there are this many keywords that I have collected. Then potential monthly traffic would be almost 500,000, and there are these programmatic SEO areas that can be created for the site, like tennis focus site, some helpful data sets, some tool ideas, if you see, and some manual blog post ideas. This is a CSV file. If you download the file, you'll get all the keywords, some additional resources. And let me open this one of the, yes, this programmatic SEO area. So this is one programmatic SEO area where there would be only 37 pages in this. So tennis court versus a sport arena. And here are some overview for the area. For example, the number of pages would be this much will be monthly traffic potential, ranking potential, sales funnel stage, and stuff like that. So keyword list. Now for this area, all the 37 keywords that we see here can be downloaded in this CSV file. Once you click on the CSV file, it will get downloaded to your computer. Now there is the page template. So suggestions, like this is not the final page template, but like we have carefully analyzed all the existing ranking pages and then have decided to create the page template. So if you click on the page template, then you'll have the idea of how the page templates can look like. So introduction, overview, features, images, and stuff like that. Everything is written here. If you go back, let me go back. Okay, yeah. And now I can click on another area and then view the details for this area. Then page template for the area, and here is the page template for this area. So yeah, everything is packed inside this Notion document.